Here are a few asanas and tips that you can follow to correct and maintain your posture. Being aware and mindful of your posture throughout the day, relax your shoulders and avoid slouching. Keep your chest open and expanded. Maintain a neutral spine alignment, avoiding excessive curvature. Wear comfortable and supportive shoes. Take regular breaks to stretch and move.
Let's start with the first posture, which is known as Marjaryasana, Bitilasana, or the cat-cow pose. For this, we will start in a tabletop position, keeping our thighs hip-width apart, toes tucked out, and our palms firmly grounded on the mat. Make sure that your wrist, elbow and shoulder are all in a straight line. Now from here, take a deep breath in, lift your head up, chest up and arch your lower back, and exhale. Bring your chin towards your chest and imagine your upper back is trying to reach towards the sky. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift your head up and chest up. Exhale, curve your upper back, pull it towards the sky. Try to touch your chin to the throat. One more time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One last time. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Now go down to child's pose or balasana and relax.
Now we're going to take our feet apart, okay? Spread your legs apart, the lengthy side of the mat. We're going to do what is called Trikonasana, triangle pose. We'll start with the right leg. So turn your right leg completely outwards, 90 degrees, and your left leg in about 30 degrees, okay? Keep the right knee straight, or put a micro bend. Since we've been doing that all along, you can put a micro bend in your right knee. What you want to avoid is hyperextending, which would look something like this, okay? It goes beyond straight when you're hyperextending. That's really not good for you. So keep a slight, sort of push the shin, the right shin little forward so that you have a little bit of engagement in that right leg. Alright, inhale, open your arms out wide, and exhale, bring the right hand to the right ankle. Left hand lifts straight up. Now if your hand is somewhere here, if you're not able to lift it straight up to the sky, you can elevate by bringing the right hand up your leg, maybe to your shin or to your knee even. Stay, look up at your left fingers if you can, and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, slowly come back up.
From here, gently bend both of the knees. Alright, from here with the right hand, hold the right foot or the right ankle, whatever is accessible to you. With the left hand, hold the left ankle or the foot. We're going to Dhanurasana or bow pose. So ready? As you inhale, lift up the thighs, lift up the chest. Hold it here, squeeze the thighs if possible. Staying here for 4. Trying to go higher for 3. Squeezing the knees together for 2. And for 1. With control, slowly coming back down. Releasing the feet from your hands. Take a moment here, catch your breath if you've lost it.
We're going to do a yoga Dandasana. So supposedly, like Danda is a staff. So most of the days when they're meditating, they used to keep their hands on a staff and they meditate like this. So if there is no staff, there's no Danda, then what they did was they used the leg as a staff. So what we're going to do, I'm going to lift the left leg and try to push the left knee towards the floor. When you push the left knee to the floor, you have to lift your left heel up. So from here, you're going to take your armpit closer and try to press it down. It's like then you can meditate forever. No, I'm joking. You can't meditate in this posture until it's comfortable. So you have to really use your strength to push. So try to use your arm to push and then bring the other leg in. If this is comfortable, you take your hand behind and hold, turn your head down and you close your eyes. And supposedly a saint meditated like this for many years, and that's why we have Yoga Dandasana, and we're going to relax. So if this is difficult for you, what you would do is you're going to just lift the leg up and push the leg towards the floor. So you're going to use your right hand and the left hand to bring your heel towards your chest and the knees towards the floor. And you keep breathing. So if this becomes easier, then try and reach your right arm towards the toes here. And when you reach the right arm towards, so don't let your leg fall. Try to keep the leg in, right arm to your toes. And if that is easy, then you bring the right hand and try and press the hand down so that the knee can go down. If this is comfortable, bring the leg in and then take your hands behind and hold. Turn your head and breathe. Now slowly release and slowly relax.
So let's bring the right foot forward to the front of the mat and the left foot to the back of the mat. On the left foot we're on the toes, which means the heels are off the ground, and on the front foot the knee is bent and the knee is directly above the ankle, which means it's ideally in a 90-degree hold. Hands go up and we want to sink into the floor as low as possible. Remember, back heels are still off the floor. So we're staying here for another 4. Remembering to breathe for 3. Go a little lower if possible for 2. Don't arch your back too much. Strengthen, engage the core. Last few breaths here and for 1. And coming into standing.